Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Istiana Abdillah Izdihar. Okay, now we will start it. I decided to meet a lot of people like me and find that out. The best place to meet a lot of polyglots is an event where hundreds of language lovers meet in one place. There are to practice their language. There are several such polyglot events organized all around the world, and so I decided to go there and ask polyglot about the method that they use. And so I met Benny from Ireland, who told me that his method is to start speaking from day one. He learns a few phrases from a travel phrase book and goes to meet native speakers and start having conversation with them right away. He doesn't mind making even 200 mistakes a day because that's how he learns based on the feedback. And the best thing is, he doesn't even need to travel a lot today because you can easily have conversation with native speakers from the comfort of your living room using websites. I also met Lucas from Brazil, who had really interesting method to learn Russian. He simply added 100 random Russian speakers on Skype as friends, and then he opened a chat window with one of them and wrote "Hi" in Russian. And the person replied, "Hi, how are you?" Lucas copied this and put it into a text window with another person, and the person replied, "I'm fine, thank you, and how are you?" Lucas copied this, and Lucas copies this back to the first person, and in this way he had two strangers have a conversation with each other without knowing about it. And soon he wouldn't start typing himself because he had so many of these conversations that he figured out how the Russian conversation usually start. What an ingenious method start, right? And then I met polyglots who always start by imitating sounds of language, and others who always learn the 500 most frequent words of the language, and yet others who always start by reading about the grammar. If I ask 100 different polyglots, I heard 100 different approaches to learning language. Everybody seems to have a unique way they learn a language, and yet we all come to the same result. And sure enough, I didn't understand almost anything at the beginning, but I kept on reading because I love the book. And by the end of the book, I was able to follow it almost without my problems. And the same thing happened when I was learning German. I decided to watch Friends, my favorite sitcom in German, and again at the beginning it was all just gibberish. I didn't know where one word finished and another on one start. But I keep on watching every day because it's fun. I can watch it in any language. I love it so much. And after the second or third season, seriously, the dialogue start to make sense. I only realize this after meeting other polyglots. We are geniuses, and we have no shortcut to learning language. We simply found ways how to enjoy the process, how to turn language learning from a boring school subject into a pleasant activity, which you don't mind doing every day. If you don't like writing words down on paper, you can always type them in app. If you don't like listening because it's too boring, textbooks material. Thank you.